Okay, there's some towels. Huh? What was that? Hey! 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 So I need to find out. What was that? What was that? Oh my days, there's a door here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Mother! Chat, what the hell is Tess? Oh no, I'm hiding. Oh, I'm hiding. Nigga. Huh?
And today's episode has been a wild one with no signs of slowing down. Let's introduce.
He went in the wardrobe. He went in the wardrobe.
Oh, we need to go. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go. Oh! He's flashing!